Hey guys, about to do the unboxing of the Ice Giant Pro Siphon Elite. Pro Siphon Elite. This video is not sponsored. I paid for this out of my own pocket, and I waited over a year for this. As far as I know, I'm the second person to receive one in the United States of the finished product. This is not a prototype. So we got some brackets that come with it. We got some Intel brackets, and then we got some Cryonaut Thermal Grizzly in there. We've got Threadripper and AM4 brackets and screws. We got a dual fan header. We have an Ice Giant Pro Siphon Elite 2-phase CPU cooler installation guide, which tells you everything you need to know about installing it. And you get a cool sticker. That's awesome. Now we're going to go to the unit. Oh, they send you 2 more fans. That's awesome. So it's 4 fans. That is awesome. Look at that. Oh, that looks cool. 12 volts, 0.12 amps. And I can just barely spin it, and I can feel, a little breeze. Seem pretty good. Test them out. Yeah, it's 2 fans already on it. This thing has some weight to it. I don't hear anything inside of there. Boy, this is cool. I've been waiting for this for a long time. Awesome. Awesome. This came on here because they told me that they had some units left that they received, so they wanted to know if I wanted mine early. They were gonna be like, you've waited a long time. We were gonna send some to reviewers, but we'll send them to the people that are, the founding people that helped us, make this thing. So I was excited. I was like, you know what? Why not go ahead and make a YouTube video about it? Oh, I'm excited to install this thing. So the main reason why you would want to get one of these is if you have a processor that creates a lot of heat, that needs really good cooling, and this thing is the thing that you're gonna want. If you're doing air cooling or liquid cooling, you're gonna want this instead. This is king ding of cooling. This will last so long that you could pass it down to your kid, and your kid could pass it down to whoever, as long as they keep making brackets for it. As an owner of a repair shop, I've noticed, I like air cooling. I don't like liquid cooling anymore. I don't do it anymore, and that's because of you get units like these. This is what they looked like when they first started to come out. You had the 120s, and then the pumps go bad, and just don't cool like they used to. Some of them lose liquid over time, especially if you put a lot of thermal stress on them. The more thermal stress you put on them, the more they lose liquid, and then they leak. See, if you can see right there, they leak. You know, or they just straight up fail. These are some that I've taken out of clients' machines because they failed and their CPUs were thermal throttling, and they leak too. You can see there. That would be considered a manufacturer defect, I would think. But surprisingly not. Of this Corsair unit, this exact one right here, I've at least already made at least 4 of them for clients before, and they've had them under a year. Majority of them were bought through Best Buy, so I don't know if there's like a control issue through Best Buy. But if you want something that's gonna last, get you a Ice Giant Pro Siphon Elite. It's better than an air cooler, better than a liquid cooler, and I'll prove it to you later on in our next video. Hey guys, thanks for watching.